live.
We're live. All right.
Quick Reach TV here with the gang. We're putting everything together. Danny's going to build a Conscendo Evolution 1.5 meter. E-Flight motor glider. So unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Is that my phrase line? Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Richie, boy, you can help Danny.
Yeah, Richie, come help me put this thing together. I don't.
All right, hang on before you open it up. Let's see what
Be sure to edit me out.
Let's see what.
No, we ain't editing nothing.
We got
Richie is
some
We'll
hardware.
be famous with 50 subscribers.
We've got stickers.
And one of them's me.
Instruction packet.
What are you going so hard?
Hey, motor's mounted. I mean, it's pretty much ready to fly. Other than you got both the wings together, tail section goes together, and a cup here. Drumsticks. Carbon rod. Donnie, you want to get in on this build?
Oh no, that's that fast glider, right?
Yeah. Conscendo.
It looks about like that, my God.
It does. It's a lot like the one
I'll
you
tell you
got.
right now, it will smack you upside the head.
It will. So Donnie got bitch slapped
Big time.
by his glider.
Same wing.
And what they changed on it?
The intensity of the foam so it'll run 4S without coming apart. That's literally what they changed.
It is more dense foam.
That's everything else.
So this glider is 3S or 4S?
I don't know.
Throw that back there.
You don't need that. Let's just look at pictures there.
That's what I was going to do.
So this is live and we're going to be
Crashing everything.
building and flying all that day. We're building one time glider this day and we'll break something we'll rebuild. I'm talking to the camera, but the mic's right there.
It'll pick you up. If it don't just pick up its fan.
See a thing unboxing that's unusual. That's carbon rod. Richie's got his hand that goes to the wing.
They're short than that.
It's got full drop. Let's see here. What's tail section in?
Why didn't they name it something you could say?
I know I can't say Conscendo.
There's no R in it. Conscendo.
Yeah, it's Conscendo.
Glider.
Glider.
Glider. Motor glider.
It's Conscendo. I can't say it.
See?
We too redneck.
Yeah. We all have an accent.
Big Yakanese.
Yakanese.
Let's ready to put a battery in flight. You don't need them wings
I'm
on.
saying, if it's that fast, it don't need no wings.
Enough power, anything will fly.
Bud.
So they plug in. Did you say that those tape together?
Yeah, they tape on.
I think you're gonna need to add the elevator
Yeah,
spark.
you got a spark goes there.
Nah.
I mean, you don't have to.
It's probably gonna be more.
I'm totally okay with watching if you don't.
Yes.
You know that big timber mine comes with a carbon fiber spar to go there or steel. I never flew mine with a steel in it. Just for cutting up. Randy said Cliff put steel in his. He said it flies like
Really? I don't flex.
but it's
Probably
heavy.
tail heavy.
Tail heavy.
Tail heavy. Yeah. Well, as much as we cut over yours,
Yeah.
it don't need it.
Uh-uh.
All right. So you put your spar in,
Why you no good, buddy?
hook the elevators together. Has it got two push pulls? No, just one for the rudder, one for the. And it just slides together. It's got a square piece. It slides together in there.
I've got some scotch tape in my battery box.
That's right. Man. I brought something for the win. I brought a belly.
Almost brought a kite. I almost threw it in the car.
Do that, wind won't blow.
I know.
You should have brought it.
I know. That's what I think.
Oh, the heli. That's a good one for the wing.
Gotta get current.
Got a piece of tape here.
You ever want another little electric heli, you gotta get one like I brought now.
Piece of tape is going to go right there on top of that side. And we'll put another one on top of the other side. And then there's 4 pieces, so you'll have to do the same on the bottom. Rich, I thought you was on a diet.
I am. Dr. Pepper diet right now.
Dr. Pepper. I'm starting mine after that big old piece of red velvet cake I had last night. Any words, Mom?
Nope, no words. I ain't never taped the tail section on before.
Well, I have, but
All those gliders my dad flew back in the 70s and 80s, the wings were taped on.
we'll take, yeah.
Electrical tape.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's pretty much sums it up for the tail. These little rubber pieces you got right here. There's 4 of them.
They are probably
They go
for
for
the control horns.
The value even looks like a plane now.
Probably extras.
Them tires on. Didn't
Unless you
look
gotta put
like
them on the
pants there.
Yeah.
Heat tires.
And then you probably have extra.
That looks like push on.
So my question is,
Really?
I guess it's got a Y connector or does it have flaps?
I can't do it. We're just gonna plug them up and then reverse it.
What did the instruction manual
Who needs that?
It's like 4 parts.
do? Yeah, but you're gonna have to take the wing back off of it to plug them in the right one.
I'm saying it's regular.
Yeah, just change the radio. It's Y connector. So it's gonna
Like,
Y.
that, so it don't matter.
It don't matter, but you still can't. But you can't program flaps that way.
Just straight L right.
What receivers in it.
I was gonna say if it's got a receiver, you can put take that Y connector out and put 2 extensions in it.
If it's like all the rest, you just use that one bind.
The bind
Bind
port.
port, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we did in the timber to droop in.
I didn't realize you can use any port for binding too.
Yeah.
That whole battery.
Come
Yeah.
on, boy.
We've come a long way with this shit.
You're gonna need to
Yeah.
slide that on the spar before
Before you
you're not
plug
gonna
it
have
in.
enough wires. Or are you?
You gotta run your wires through the hose. Oh, okay. Mine goes through a hole.
Real tight.
That's good tight. I can put some game.
Once you slide the wing together, put it together. Oh. There you go. Hey, never mind.
They'll fly with them finger marks.
Never mind.
That's why I made that
Make
big
sure that
phone.
the plugs are down in the holes.
Yeah, good.
I'm filming the table here.
That'd be alright.
Putney Ridge TV.
We're a bunch of animals.
Tabletop.
Oh, it's sitting right there. See, they lay on top of that piece of plastic. Okay,
That's it.
that's it. All right. We got a plate that we're gonna put on the center section with some screws.
Anybody got a screwdriver?
I was just fixated.
What flavor you need?
Anybody bring a
It's like a
screwdriver?
small little Phillips head.
Gotcha.
At this point,
Oh, that's nice.
other than putting some stickers on it,
It's done.
there it is.
Well, we used to. How long did it take us to build a gentle lady?
Come once.
And crank half a week.
Oh, 49s.
I tell you what, it's all the power them little things needed.
I enjoyed those 49s, but this electric stuff now is got.
Oh, shoot, shit. I miss the sound though.
I do too. It running, just
I
get,
almost brought my big gas ultra
get ready to cut off. You know, to make that.
That thing didn't have the
Lean.
batteries on my electric starter and all charged up. And
Well, hey, next time.
I may bring it over here and leave it. Hang it from the
I
wall.
think that's what we were just talking about. Was taking all of our stuff over there and hanging it on the walls.
Oh, you got here when you want to
That's
turn
right.
it.
That's what we'll fly at.
You haul me around turning it up.
Yep.
I do more damage moving my
Moving
stuff
them.
around than I do flying it. Well, sometimes.
So if anybody's wondering, we just moved into this hangar and we'll talk about bringing our models over here and leaving them at the hangar. We fly. We got a couple ultralights in here. A lot more got to fix in here. Reach in here. Some of the diet, dark pepper.
It's watered down, so it's okay.
It's watered down. Yeah, it's
Watered down,
partly water. Yeah, and Danny's over here with a screwdriver going at it.
Alright, it's done.
Well, what about
Right.
those? What about those? Did these have rubbers on them back there?
Yeah.
That's probably extra.
Extra parts.
We got a bind plug, and we got these extra pieces of rubber here that probably go on.
Is that combined safe or unsafe?
Share this picture here. You see, there's a piece of rubber on that control horn there. I think that's what these. It's got 4 extra ones that pull this whole bag here. So you take this bag and just put it up in case you ever break one, and you're going to put stickers on it. Oh, man, you
Late.
are.
That's late.
You're going at it. That's serious if you're putting stickers on it.
Why would you not put the stickers on?
Now, can you bind this as safe or non-safe, or it's on
I
switch?
think you can, safe or not safe. I'm pretty sure it can't you down. It's safe to.
Yep.
Some of mine I have to bind that way you can't do it on the switch.
I didn't think about that, yeah.
Hey, my food for you, just don't I hate about it.
Hey,
You bind
don't
it
know how
safe
I
or
want
non-safe.
You come however you want.
Look, that one don't have any stripes on it. I like it just the way it
It
is.
ain't quiet either. Gray lives matter.
Gray lives matter. That's right.
Ether!
Yeah, black stickers matter. That's not the way it is.
How's it go?
There's the box. That's exactly how it goes. I was joking when I said that. Is that?
These on the wing, lures on the elevator.
On the top or the bottom?
Well, I just want something to.
Go to that.
Just
level.
something so you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. This is a first. Danny's putting stickers on something.
No air bubbles under that.
I don't care. You see the ones they put on factory?
Oh, all right.
It's got air bubbles all in it.
Sometimes, man.
It's going on top of the other one there.
Yeah,
Oh,
get it right on top of the L1.
You think we'll cut that out?
How's Keith today?
He's gap sealing the L-rod.
That's what it is for more control. Well, there's Keith. Delma's made it here. We all here. It's a gang. We're filming an episode of Putting Your Reach TV for everybody. Danny is putting stickers on it.
What have I done here?
I believe you have.
Screwed up.
I had the one that went here where we need to be.
Think it. I don't know.
See? That's the
Threw
reason we
them on
don't.
one wing,
That's
one
the-
elevator.
That's the reason we don't do stickers.
Doing one wing, one elevator.
Look at there. That works.
So this is no longer called the Conscendo,
See?
whatever how you say it. It's now called the sticker airplane. Danny has stickered it up. Those are pretty.
Seen that commercial where they say fruit bowl instead of bad words. Every time I want to say bad words, they say fruit bowl. Say we eating a lot of fruit bowls around here. Little girl said, "Can I have fruit bowl?" Yes, he's fruit bowl now.
Yep, that's awesome. This is the reason we call it Putting Reach TV, because all of us are part of that.
Wing load's going up.
Yep. One of them stickers gonna be a little bit loose on one edge. That's
Yep.
gonna cause it fly back.
Yeah.
Have more drag than another way.
Danny has.
There it
Danny has-
is. He ain't got that one down.
Danny has compromised the flying characteristics. That's good.
Keeping in.
Can't have it. Oh, it looks good.
That's what needs to happen. Something needs to kick in.
We chow down yesterday, all up in that old stage. Chow down.
Is that one just one sticker?
Yeah. I ain't put them on the tail.
See?
We'll be balanced.
It's gonna fly on it. It's gonna be nose heavy.
Yep.
Look at that. What'd you bring fly, Keith?
Hurricane.
Hurricane, yep. We put servos in Hurricane the other day.
my motor would run, we'd take turns and see who runs straight down the runway.
Who can hold it the longest?
That wheel.
What happens? I wonder what happens when the tail comes up.
You ain't gonna hurt your nose. It's already been.
No, at least you got a good attitude, man.
That's the only way to look at it. Yeah.
Challenge.
It really is different. She come down pretty quick though, actually.
Oh, really?
That was the easy part.
All right,
Is that it?
that's it.
Hold her up, let's look at it. It's nice.
It's flat.
I think it's time to put a battery to go fly.
All right.
All right, we'll be back with you shortly.